Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this soft neutral look, something that won't scare your date away. Something, you know, a lot of guys are like, they don't like all their makeup, so SpongeBob me. So this is something much softer, much more neutral, and you can wear it for any date, anything romantic. You can wear it everyday use. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. Some of y'all like, fuck Valentine's Day, honestly. I'm some of y'all. Not really. I don't have anything planned for Valentine's Day. At this point, it's basically fuck love. So yeah, before I get started with all that, I'm gonna say welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And if you guys want to see how I completed this look, then stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start off with some foundation I had left over from my brows. We're going to put that down for base. Then I'm going to take the Jackie Aina palette in this Essence Eye Blender brush. And we're going to pick up Ginger and put that down as the transition shade. Putting that down with windshield wiper motions. And then I'm going to pick up Credits with this M507 brush and put that on the outer V and in the crease. Then I'm going to take this Ulta Beauty matte eye primer in Nude and take this really flat brush that I customized and cut the crease real fast. I speeded it up a little bit for you guys, but I still wanted you to see the process. So I like to outline it first and then go in and fill in the bottom. Make sure I get that shape right. Then we're going to go back with that. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is the Morphe M421 brush. And I think this is called Unfallen from the Covergirl Overthrown palette. And we're going to put that all over the lid. And then blend out that edge with that Morphe M507 brush just so it looks smooth. And shout out to Lace by Jazz for putting me on this NYX Matte Eyeliner. It is the truth. So thank her for that. And then I put on my lash glue. And I prep my lashes with this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. Before I put on these false lashes, these are the 42s from the EBS Fashion collection. And then I put on this Pond's Dry Skin Cream. Rub that in. Then I put the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. And I rub that in. Then I put this E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer out on the outskirts of my nose and by my laugh lines to try and make it a little, I got some by my mouth, try and make it a little bit less creasy in those areas because those are like my problem areas. Then I put the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in 338 Spicy Brown. And I'm just going to buff that out with a beauty sponge. Then I put down this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and buffed that out. And then I took the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C15. I used that to contour. And I tried something different today. I used the eyeshadow brush to try and contour my nose. I don't really know how I feel about that yet, but I went over it with a sponge. So no matter what, we good. Looked a little bit like Squidward right here, but yeah. So I went over that with a beauty sponge, as you can see right here, because I wasn't really feeling it with the other side with the brush. Then I took my Contoursion palette and my F14 brush, and I picked up Breaky to set that contour. I took my MAC Mineralize Skin Foundation in medium dark and my medium deep Maybelline Fit Me powder to set that concealer. And then I just went back in, reinforced that contour because it looks like we had lost it a little bit. I went into my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and put that in my waterline. And we went back into Ginger and put that in the waterline. And then put the credit on the outside of the lower lash line. I'm going to take this E.L.F concealer brush and take Soleil and put that in my inner corner. And then I put this Urban Decay Perversion mascara on my lower lashes. And I took this, I don't know the name of this highlighter, but it's from the Contoursion palette. And then I lined my lips with my Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in dark brown. And this is my Ruby Kisses Super Gloss in Cotton Candy, I believe it is. And I'm going to go over that with this Broadway Mango Butter Lip Gloss. Yep. If I missed anything, it'll be down below in the description box, you guys. But I just wanted to make sure I made this video as short as possible. It was originally supposed to be for Valentine's Day, but we're going to call this Soft Glam, Everyday Soft Glam. Then I'm going to take this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray and spray that all over my face. And I'm going to follow that up with this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Spray that all over my face. And then press that in with a beauty sponge. Y'all already know the vibes. I was really in love with how my makeup turned out this day. It was giving me something I could feel.
Sorry.
If you guys can hear Abby in the background, I'm sorry. She's up under me and I had to record this voiceover because I have to get this video up ASAP. So I'm a mom. I'm a mom before I'm anything. I do apologize for that though if you guys hear her every now and then during the voiceover. She's right up under me. Okay, so this is the completed look. This is like soft, way softer for Valentine's Day than the first look I did. Don't worry about the plaits, you guys. I'm taking these plaits out this week. This is the last week with the plaits. I got a lot of new growth. And the plaits will be back when I go out of the country for my 30th birthday. So excited about that. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you watch my last video with a much bolder makeup look for Valentine's Day. And as always, I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.